boat tour. Right, so we're going down the river walk here, which this is where it all goes down. Oh wow.
Look, it's actually pretty big.
It is. Where are we?
Right here, I think.
I hope so. I don't know.
River Center, yeah. This is the Alamo.
Okay, so I'm like, is that us?
Yeah, this is the picture that you saw, the umbrella.
Yeah. Okay, let's walk a little bit. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna get a picture. You see all the fish down there. Oh, we can actually. Wow, look at them all. Holy cow. Take a live music. This is pretty epic. Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're probably right. Saltgrass Steakhouse. You should have eaten there. Endless shopping. Right?
Always.
Coyote Ugly Saloon.
Yeah. Wow.
The original.
Dang, up here probably.
Yeah, you're right, actually. There's fish everywhere. There's one with a hook in his mouth. Too much of a glare.
Jennifer Lopez, she was up on the top during the filming of Sabina. You know what?
Across the street from the entrance to the Alamo, there's all this completely tourist stuff here. It's like Ripley's Believe It or Not, Guinness World Record Museum, Tomb Raider 3D, some shops where you can get t-shirts and so on. Pretty cool spot. Oh, I'm gonna cross here. Our room is right there. That go outside. I can't wait to get out there. In order to get in there, you have to go all the way under. Go ahead. All right. I'm gonna have to. It is a rooftop, kind of. Oh, it's 4th floor. Yay, we got to stay on the 26th floor. Basically like right there. Pretty awesome here. Half the Marriott's are closed because of COVID. But whatever. This is crazy and not Minnesota like. Look at this huge 2-inch cockroach. That, where the hell did he go? Oh my God, he went over there. But apparently to all these Texans, it's not a big deal, but I'm absolutely freaked out. I can't even believe it.
I don't do bugs, especially 2-inch cockroaches. It's the nastiest thing I've ever seen in my entire